Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 31st, 2025, and we're diving into Resmed's first quarter earnings report for fiscal year 2026. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Resmed has certainly delivered an impressive start to their fiscal year, and I'm excited to break down the numbers and insights from their latest earnings report.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Resmed reported a revenue of $1.3 billion for the first quarter, marking a 9% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth is primarily driven by increased demand for Resmed's sleep devices, masks, and accessories. The company saw a 10% revenue increase in the US, Canada, and Latin America, and a 6% increase in Europe, Asia, and other markets on a constant currency basis. This broad-based growth highlights the strong market demand for their products.
And what about profitability?
Resmed's gross margin improved significantly, up 290 basis points to 61.5%, with the non-GAAP gross margin at 62.0%. This improvement is largely due to manufacturing and logistics efficiencies, as well as component cost improvements.
Earnings per share analysis. Resmed's adjusted earnings per share came in at 2.55 surpassing the forecasted $2.49 from a survey of 5 analysts. What does this tell us about the company's performance?
This 16% year-over-year growth in non-GAAP EPS is a testament to Resmed's strong operational performance and effective cost management. Beating the analyst forecast indicates that the company is executing well on its strategic initiatives and delivering value to shareholders.
Operational efficiencies and strategic investments. John, Resmed's income from operations increased by 15%, with non-GAAP income from operations up 19%. How is the company achieving these operational efficiencies?
Resmed has been focusing on manufacturing and logistics efficiencies, which have contributed to their improved margins. Additionally, the company is investing in strategic initiatives, such as the Virtuox acquisition, which has led to increased SG&A expenses but is expected to drive long-term growth.
There were also restructuring charges this quarter. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, Resmed recorded $16 million in restructuring-related charges as part of their workforce planning activities aligned with their 2030 strategic priorities. These charges are primarily related to employee severance and other one-time termination benefits.
CEO insights and future outlook. Resmed CEO Mick Farrell mentioned a strong start to fiscal year 2026. What are the key takeaways from his statement?
Mick Farrell emphasized the company's commitment to operational excellence and strategic investment in innovation. He highlighted the 9% revenue growth and 280 basis points of non-GAAP gross margin expansion as indicators of their successful strategy in transforming healthcare in the home.
And what about their capital management strategy?
Resmed continues to return value to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. They declared a quarterly cash dividend of 60 cents per share and repurchased 523,000 shares for $150 million, reflecting their strong cash flow and confidence in future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Resmed has delivered a robust performance in the first quarter of fiscal year 2026, with strong revenue growth, improved profitability, and strategic investments paving the way for future success. John, any final thoughts on Resmed's investment prospects?
Resmed's strong financial performance, coupled with their strategic focus on innovation and operational excellence, positions them well for sustainable growth. Their commitment to returning value to shareholders through dividends and buybacks further enhances their investment appeal.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Resmed's performance in the comments below. Until next time.